Let's learn how to play Weeping Dawn from Baldur's Gate 3 on the Lute Dulcimer. Now for this song, we're going to capo the first fret, and it's going to be nice and easy because most all the song is played up and down the double string. Although if you don't have one of my Lute Dulcimers that has more than 7 frets, maybe you've got another maker or a lap dulcimer that only has 7 frets or so, that's okay. The second half of this video, I'm going to show you how to play it on the lower octave so you don't have to use more than 7 frets. But here, we're going to play it nice and simple. If you've got more than 7 frets, this is what we're going to do. We're going to start with the verse, go to the chorus, and the song just returns to the verse again. Both sections are pretty easy. So, the verse is going to go like this. And it does that over and over again for each line. And it doesn't really change. And that's nice for us. On top of that, we're going to play in that traditional way by strumming and letting the low strings drone as we play the melody up and down. Now you can strum every time to every number in the tablature, or you can strum occasionally, intermittently, adding some harmony to the background. Now another note is that I'm playing a shorter scale dulcimer. Mine is in the key of G, so it's tuned G, D, G. I've got the capo on, so now it's an A or A, E, A. Of course, most lap dulcimers, lute-style dulcimers are going to be in D or D-A-D, and again, you're going to capo that first fret. So if mine sounds a little different than yours, that's what's going on. So here's the verse again, but we're going to play the strums with it or play the drones with it. Let's do that a number of times for the whole verse. And then we've got the chorus. The chorus is also fairly simple. We're going to start on fret 1, 2, 3 and slide or hammer onto fret 4, or we could pick both. There's a hammer on. There it is picked. And it's going to go up. Let me try it again and get it right. There it is with a slide. You're going to play that 3 times, and the 4th time it's going to drop down at the end like this. So it starts out normally, and then it goes from here down 2 frets, and then down 1 more fret, ending on the 2nd fret past the capo on the double string. Now we're going to put the whole thing together, and it should sound like this. Okay, so that is the normal way I would play it, especially on one of my lute dulcimers like the Grand Sage here, which has plenty of frets to play that song up and down. But if we don't have that many frets on your particular dulcimer, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start that on the bass string open, then bass string 2, bass being the thickest string on your instrument. So bass open, bass 2, and then double string. And again, I'll put the tablature at the bottom here, but on this one, Any numbers on the bottom line of tablature, that's going to be on the bass string, the middle line, middle string, and the top line is going to be the double string, so that's how you're going to read it. Let's do the verse first. Again, you're going to repeat that 4 times for the verse, then we'll go into the chorus. So you're going to repeat that 3 times. Third time will go like this. Now we'll put it all together. So there's both ways to play it, both up and down the high octave of the double string and down the low octave. The chords in the chorus a little easier, what we can do is just do some bar chords instead. So it'll go a little bit like this. Now the B will be the same. Then we'll drop to the G. We'll just take that straight up and back down. But do whatever feels most comfortable. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and all the pleasantries, and I will see you in the next one.